It won't get you. And then put your hand like this. This thumb up front. Watch out for your thumb right here too. And all you gotta do is use your thumb and pull it down.
Hey, face the other way, yeah.
What does that do?
Yep.
And when you press it down, this thing will slide forward.
Do I slide it now?
Yeah. Okay, and then shoot. Face the gun the other way.
Like that.
I just
Can
don't
you?
want it to hit me.
Huh?
You might want to lean
No.
forward. And then spread your legs a little bit.
Yeah, open up, girl.
There you go. And then lean forward a little bit.
Stick that ass out.
What you're gonna do is just gonna go like this with the forward sight and pull the trigger. Try it. Lean forward.
Yeah, stick that ass out. This way, it's gotta be straight. This way can be straight. This arm. Yeah. No, don't do anything else.
Then what?
Don't do anything. Just keep shooting. Hold on, girl. Come on.